Okay, so with Advcash, you can send your coin or your cash to Binance without incurring any fee. So to do that, you need to connect your Advcash to your Binance wallet. So when you do that, Binance is going to recognize that you are from Advcash, and then it's going to connect it. It's going to connect Advcash wallet to your Binance wallet and allow you make transaction with zero fee. So you can see it here that it's zero fee when you're depositing from Advcash. Alright guys, my name is Patrick Verified, and in today's video we are going to link our Advcash to Binance so that we can make transactions with zero fee to Binance. I've placed links in the description to Advcash and Binance registration so you know that you are registering on the right site. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. Alright, go ahead and sign in. That's after you have created your account on Advcash. So log into your account. So you'll be sent a PIN. The PIN will be inside your mail. Go to your mail and copy that PIN. So this is the PIN. Click on it and then copy the PIN. Copy the PIN, then go back to Advcash and paste it in there. Paste it in. Continue. So it's going to log me in right now. So go to buy crypto. Click on buy crypto and link your Binance account. Click on link Binance account. Okay. Now you are going to enter your Binance email. That's the email you use on Binance. Your email of the email of your Binance account rather. So enter your Binance email. Let me find my Binance email. Then I'm going to type it in here. Okay. Type it right in there. Okay. Yes. I'm going to type it in. Okay. Then click on continue. It's going to take you to Binance website. So you are going to log into your Binance account to bind it with Binance. So I'm going to enter my email and password, then log into Binance. Slide the security verification, then enter my authentication code I sent to me. I have my authentication code, Google authentication code. Some people might use their phone for verification. So Binance sends you to your phone. So copy that and paste in your authentication code. That's provided for authentication code. Enter it there. Enter your authentication code and it's going to submit and it's going to bind right away. So it's congratulations. Now you are seeing that you have been connected, you have been linked. The two accounts have been linked. So now you can send your funds from Advcash to Binance free of charge, and do all your transactions. So in subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to add funds to Advcash and make arbitrage. So you can make money with Binance, buying low on Advcash and selling high on Binance. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the notification button so that you get regular updates when I post this kind of content. Thank you. Stay blessed.